a new angle and I'm not really sure about it. I'm gonna decide later on what I think about this angle, but I think I like it better, so I think this might be the new angle I use. So I'm here to do another checked out from my library video. I did one quite a while ago and I just never really updated it because what I do from the library, I take them out and then I take them back and get one new one most of the time. But this time I didn't have any out from the library because last time I went there wasn't anything I wanted. So I got 4 books from the library today and I'm going to show you them. And so the first one is one I was really excited about, but I've heard sort of mixed views on it, so I wasn't gonna buy it, so when I found it in the library I was happy. And then it's Afterworld by Scott Westerfeld. I've heard a lot of people say very, very mixed things about this. This is about a girl who is writing a book during NaNoWriMo, and we get both the book and her life while she's writing it. And that sounds really interesting to me as a writer, but a lot of people have said it just didn't work very well and that they preferred like one of them and that the other one was really boring. But I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it, but I really like this cover better than the other one. I don't know why, I like this one better. The next one I got was another one that I was so happy to find, and that is The Game of Thrones by George R.R. Martin. And I've finished the entire of the Game of Thrones series up to series 4, and I was babysitting for my half cousin, and my cousin had this book, and I just was bored while my half cousin was asleep, so I read the first 50 pages and loved it. And the writing style is so much better than I thought it'd be. I thought it'd be really hard and really descriptive, but it's not, especially because some of it's from like kids' point of view, so I really like that. So I thought I might as well get it and I'll read like bits at a time between other books because it is massive. And yeah, so I'm gonna start this, and yeah, hopefully I will get through this. My third book that I got out from the library is The Bone Season by Samantha Shannon, and this is a fantasy book about a girl who's a clairvoyant in a world where clairvoyants are banned, and it sort of offers an alternate history thing from what I understand. And it sounds really interesting, and it's been really overly hyped on BookTube, so I'm excited to try it out. It got a lot of hype. It's got a 7-book deal, I think it has, and the second book comes out soon, or is already out, I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm excited to read this one. And my last one is a lot different to the one I normally read, and that is Great Expectations by Charles Dickens. My friend's always been saying if I was going to read a Charles Dickens book, I should read this one, so I thought I'd give it a chance and read it, because I am really interested in Charles Dickens and I want to read more classics this year in preparation for starting my degree in English in September. So that was my checked out from the library video, and I will see you next time. Please comment down below whether you like this angle or my old angle better. I think this one's better, but I really would like to know your opinion. So I will see you next time. Goodbye.